If you are tired of watching great opportunities slip by because you couldn't just start, then this video is for you. Let's look at the actual data. The energy drain. Every single day, your brain makes thousands of decisions. They say around 35,000. When a big decision is hanging over you, it sucks mental energy away from those 35,000 other choices. That's why you feel so exhausted and anxious. It's decision burnout. The business impact? Businesses have tracked this. Consulting giants like McKinsey found that organizations that make decisions fast, and I mean fast and good, grow their revenue up to 30% faster than their slow competitors. Think of that financially. Your indecision is literally costing you 30% of your potential growth. Let's talk about the cost of delay. In the business world, they have a term called the cost of delay. It's a simple truth that the financial cost of waiting one more week or one more month to launch a project is always higher than the cost of fixing a minor problem before the launch. The perfect time will never come. The data is clear. Inaction is the most expensive decision you can make. You have to flip the script. You have to learn to trust your gut when it's fed with 70% of the facts. The first big shift is realizing you don't need 100% of the answer. You need to adopt the 70% rule. Think of it like this. Researching from 0 to 70% certainty is fast. Getting from 70% to 100% takes the same amount of time and gives you almost nothing new. You're trading weeks of progress for a tiny piece of information that probably won't change the outcome anyway. It's diminishing returns. Here's how you implement the 70% rule immediately. You need to set limits. Time box your decision. Give yourself a non-negotiable deadline. Say it loud. I will decide on the new software by 2 p.m. on Friday. End of story. The decision doesn't have to be correct, but it has to be made. Use the need to know list. Before you Google anything, write down exactly what you need to know to feel 70% confident. For example, I need to talk to one person who works there, and I need to read 3 salary reports. Once you check those boxes, you stop the research. And finally, always run your 70% decision through my quick filter check. If you can answer yes or no, these 3 questions are good to go. Can I recover if this choice goes wrong? Will I still have a job, a life, a future? Usually the answer is yes. Does this move me closer to my main goal? If yes, it's the right direction. Does it feel mostly right? Trust the gut you fed the 70% of data with. The truth is, the most powerful decision you will ever make is to decide to be decisive. You can silence perfection by embracing the 70% rule and knowing that the best research is always the action you take next. Let's start today. Let's start a reaction of decisiveness. If this video finally helped you conquer your overthinking, hit the like button. Every like tells the algorithm that this message needs to reach more people that are stuck. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.